Hi, my name is Mr. Strable. I am your math teacher, and if you're watching this means you missed today's lesson. So I'm going to briefly go over what we did today, so you can try to catch up and be where the rest of the class is. So the first thing I want to go over is our daily objectives. So first thing we're going to do today on the very first day of school is discuss our LMS, which is our class website, and how you can find it on your computer. All right. So to do that, you log into your view account, and it's going to look like this when you log in. It's going to have your name, your student ID, and all that stuff. And then on the left-hand side, you have different options. You're going to click on class website. And when you do that, it's going to pop up and it's going to look like this. Depending on what your first period is, that's what's going to show here. All right, and there's a drop-down menu. You click in and you can go through your different classes. All right. On your LMS page, it'll have your teacher's name, email address, and different information. All right. One thing to know is you go hover over a resource, you can find your syllabus, which tells you how your grades are weighted, what their class expectations are, and a lot of helpful information for the course. And also links. You click on links and it'll provide you with different links that are important for this class. The first link is we're going to talk about today is Canvas. Canvas is where your classwork is going to be posted, where your assignments, quizzes, and everything you need to do for the course. So that's going to be kind of where you start your day most days. And if you can't remember the link to Canvas, it is here on my LMS page. All right. So the next thing on our objectives was where in the world is. That was an activity we did on Zoom to introduce myself and the class to one another. The next thing we got to talk about is SOAR and Zoom expectations, and that will be found on your Canvas page. So when you log into Canvas, it's going to look like this, all right? And it's going to be under class information. So I'm going to click on that tab, all right? And we went over our SOAR expectations, all right? SOAR means to be safe, organized, accountable, and respectful. Right? And we went over this this graphic and showed different ways where we can be safe, organized, accountable, and respectful. Right? And then we also went over our Zoom expectations, what to do and how you can be successful in Zoom to not only help you, me, and your fellow classmates succeed. The next thing we talked about is logging into Canvas. To log into Canvas, you can click on the link that I showed you on your LMS page, and your username is going to be your Office 365 login, which is your first and last initials and your last 5 digits of your student ID number. And the password is something you should have set up when you got your laptop. If there's any issues, feel free to email me, and I will be glad to help you. And the last thing we did is a Getting to Know You form, and that form is on your Canvas page. If you go back to your home, under lessons, you will find it under September 8th, Get to Know You form. Click on it, and then it'll take you to a form, and you just fill it out, and it's just random questions for me to get to know who you are and learn a little about yourself. Okay. So that is just a quick rundown of what our day was. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out and email me. All right. Have a good day, and I hope to see you tomorrow.